So this is how I scrape off the wallpaper. I haven't shown really what we're doing, I've just shown what we've gotten done. So I just take a razor blade, get to the edge as best I can, and then pull down and hope that more comes off. This has not been the easiest project, but I'm getting more and more done every day, so I'm really happy about that. And I just kind of pick sections to go in and try to get it off. So, my pink gloves. My husband got them for me. Sometimes I score it so that when I scrape, it's a little bit easier to get that top edge going. Sometimes I get it really good and I get a whole bunch at once. Sometimes I get a tiny little piece, so that was pretty good. So that's what I'm doing. This is my weekend project. Try to get the rest of the paper off from inside. Hope that I do, so that we're going to sand down any rough spots, and of course replace any plywood that's water damaged. But that's it. I just thought I'd show you.